and 1 will be the, and 2 will be the, and 3 will be the. Sir, you are writing, but how? If anyone asks you, convert a binary into decimal. Okay, if I want to get a decimal value into binary. So you have to write on the top two power values from right to left. 2 power of 0 value will be the 1, 2 power of 1 value 2, 2 square value 4, 2 cube value. Simply, you can take it as a 1 2 4 8. 1 the double 2, 2 the double 4, 4 the double 8, 8 the double 16. Like this, you have to get that binary into decimal. So where you will have the 1, add with the 1, remaining will be anything will be the 0. The next number, what will be the number? Next number 5. What? How many number you have to get the 5? 4 plus 1. 0, 1. Next is 7. 4 plus 2 plus 1. Next 8. 1 remaining. If I starts with binary, how many bits you have? 0 0. 2 zeros, right? Binary is nothing but the two zeros will be having the next combination 0 1. Next combination 1 0. Finally 1 1. How many? You will get a combination of, if I take 2 bits, how many combinations of 0 0 1 0 1 and 1 0 and 1. So that will be get, can't get a more than that. So here also, if I start with 4 zeros, if I start with 4 zeros, how many ones I have to get? Up to 4 ones. So after 8, what will be the value? After 8, what will be the value? The next value will be the 9. 8 plus 1. After that, 10 value. 8 plus 2. After that, 11. 8 plus 2 plus 1. After that, 12. 8 plus 4. After that, 13. 8 plus 4 plus 1. 14 will be the 8 plus 4 plus 2. Finally, with 15 you got it. It's 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. 4 zeros and with 4 ones. Totally how many? From 0 to 15, how many you will have? Totally you will get 16. 0 to 15. Zeros plus 15. What is the value you got? 16. So that's why I told you hexadecimal will be having how many? 16. Okay, make a note on your notes. In a mobile mobile keypad or laptop keypad, everywhere the number system will be 0 to 9 only you have. You have the number called from 0 to 9 only. There is no 10, 11, 12. Here also from 10 onwards they're called as the A. From B or 11 will be the B. So let's see. So if anyone asks you what will be the hexadecimal form? If anyone asks you what is the hexadecimal, totally how many you will have? 16. That means 16 means 0 to 15. But how to treat it as 0 to 9? You know, right, very well. To write, you all are from IT department and AT. Make a note on it. These are very, very important. Convert binary to decimal. I'll give you one number. 1 2 1 2 1 2. Its value will be the answer. Sir, how you tell exactly this will be the answer? Just I told you now, from the right to left, write down the values. The 2, 2 the double 4, 4 the double 8, 8 the double 16, 16 double the 32, 32 double the. There you have the one, add that values. So there you have what will be this value. Add one position 128 plus 32 plus 8 plus 2. 128 plus 2, what is the value? 128 plus 2, only 130 plus 32 plus 8, 40. Equal to, okay, na? Make a note on it. Right, I'll give you some values. Make it, I'll give you time for you. Okay. I will tell you after, then just drop a message on the chat. Okay, I'll give you time for you. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 numbers I gave you. Just after completion, I will just ask you, just you message, drop the message on the chat. What is that value? Okay, na? Having two types. You know, right, very well, IPv4. Another one will be, thank you, thank you. IPv6. IPv4 is a 32-bit. IPv6 is will be the 128. Okay. So what is IP? First of all, we discuss with IPv4. What is IPv4? We'll see. If anyone asks you what is address, if anyone asks you what is an address, it is a numeric number to identify. It is a name to identify a node on a network. A node can be it's a number to identify a node on a network. Node can be. So the first one will be the IP address. IPv4 is a okay. 32-bit divided into 4 parts. Each part called each octet have each, each octet contains each, each octet range each octet range is 0 to 255. Format of IPv4 address represented as sorted decimal. So based on the thing, I will write the example. Right? Example I will write based on one 32-bit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 23, 24, 25, 26. So the 32 is divided how many parts? Four parts. Four parts called. So the octet will be vary from left to right. Octet 1, octet 2, octet 3, and final octet 4. In this octet, we are having 8 bits, each contains 8 bits, each contains 0. If you convert this one, this value 128, this value 192, this value will be the 220. The format of IP address is represented as dotted display. We have to represent with a dot. We have to represent with a dot. 240.128.192.2. Okay, make a note on it. So never treat as a point. A lot of people will be treat as a point, but point is the wrong way. You have to treat as a dot only. 240.128.192.224. Okay, make a note on your notes. Right? If anyone having any queries now, let me know. I will explain your queries if any. So up to now, what we have discussed now, I will show you in the picture. I hope you are all completed now. See, up to now, what you are having the same calculations and part why I gave you the calculation of convert into binary and discourse. See, to identify the node and network is a 32-bit number is divided into 4 octets. Each octet contains 8 bits, each octet ranges 0 to 20 decimal, the part of the 5 letters is called data decimal. Okay, so this will be the calculation. See, the octet on the IPv4 will be left to right. Octet 1, octet 2, octet 3, octet 4. In each octet, the value from left to right. 1 to 48, 1 to 48, 1 to 48, 1 to 4. Right. So based on one octet value. What is the one octet value? 0 to 255. The designed classes. For whom? For human beings. The designed classes and application will be the class here range the 0 to 127. You all are know very well. Class B 28 to 191. 3 192 to 223. So class ABC will be allocated with the LAN and WAN. LAN and WAN. Okay, the next one will be the 4, that will be the D from 24 to 39. Okay, where you will use multicast. Multicast. 5 will be the E, 42 to 55. With the R&D and IET. Okay, these are the classes and right. Who will be officially approved by this one? IA. Who will be officially approved by IA? Internet assigned numbers, names, authority. R&D, you know, right, very well. Research and development. Okay, IETF will be the Internet Engineering Task Force. Internet Engineering Task Force. Right, R&D, Research and Development, IETF, Internet Engineering Task Force. IETF, Internet Engineering Task Force. So tomorrow we will discuss, okay, this continuity of the lab, how to enable the, how to install, how to repair, how to enable the packet tracer. Okay, we will see the, so before going to explain, we have another concept, I think you know, right, very well, OS layers. Just I will give you the outline, just for what is the layers, right, what will be there, just outline of this one. After that, I will explain on the patterns. Okay, so we will tomorrow, better to those who are attend this session, you know, better to join this training through the laptop. So it will help you those who are new to this particular training. That means the platform, the portal, the portfolio. If you are new to this particular training, you know, better.
iOS, this inter-network operating system, what it will tells now, it will tells the instructions and parameters going through the interfaces. So based on the ISO, inter-network operating system will be only working on the intermediate devices only, like switch or router. For Cisco, having a security related concept, switching have a like hierarchical structure to access the device. Or what will be the hierarchical structure? What it will be having? We will see the things. Okay, I hope you are all visible by screen. I, I think so, right? So what model of router is 1941 router? Always the router model number is 1941. Sir, to access the router, I need a monitor with the device. So that's why I need a computer. The computer having a Windows operating system, the router will have iOS. Between the PC to router, I have to use the cable called console cable. What is the cable? Console cable. So select the console cable, connect it RS-232 port serial port, move to the router, connect it on console port only. Okay now. Once again I will show you. To open the core router, I need a third party application called Hyper Terminal Settings. By default, in the packet tracer PC having the terminal settings, by default we have a values for that one to open the router or intermediate devices. So click on the PC, go to the desktop tab, there you will have a terminal. Click on the terminal, you will have a default settings and click OK. You will find this access. Okay. So would you like to enter the initial card dialog configure dollars yes or no? Okay, very small letters you can't find to get this one. So the procedure of real time, right? This will be the common. So if you are working in any universities or like as a network engineer in any companies, na companies how they will access the routers or on the router, go to CLI tab. See, you can see the difference. Now the font size is very bigger. You can easily identify. Would you like to enter the initial dialog box? Yes or no? Whenever it asks yes or no, initial configuration dialog box, always type the no, whether it is small letters or capital letters. Whether it is small letters or capital letters, you can type the no. For security reasons, you have to enter into the router. Sir, how you can access this router? Okay. So that router greater than will be the user execution mode. Here, what is the command? How to type the enable command? You will enter into the router hash mode. So this router hash mode tells basic copy commands and show commands. Sir, if I want to configure on which mode you have to enter the config space global configuration mode. These are the three modes to access the router. If you take any model of router, you will get a name called router. Sir, my first task is I have to change the router name. How to change the router name? The command will be the host name R1. If I want to change any name, host name CSK. Sir, if I want to change the name, host name RCB. Okay. Whatever you want your name also you can use the name command called host name space. Right? Change the name as R1. Host name. There is no space between the host name. Okay. After the space you will have after then R1. Okay. Suddenly when power is lost on the router, right? So what I configure, the data will be lost generally. Sir, if I want to save the data, where you have to save the data? Okay, you have to type the exit and the WR. Command will be the WR. WR is right. It will saved in the local device we have. Internally, it will be stored. Internally, it will be stored. Where you have to use this command WR in the hash mode only. Where in the hash mode only. Every time what you are configured, after next you have to enter into the hash mode and you have to type the WR. If anyone having any queries now, let me know. So this is the save and the router name. How to change the router name. Okay. Now, if I type exit, right? So directly I, I got R1. So here I have to put a banner. How to configure the banner? The banner we called as message of the day. Banner space MOTD, message of the day. You can use any message and hash. This will be the banner. This will be the banner. Welcome to the class. Sir, where I can find this banner, right? Exit, exit. Now see, welcome to the class. You are putting your mobile screenshot, I mean, screensavers or the display, right? You put some quotations, right? Please don't touch my phone without my permissions or some quotations you are placed. Same like that, you can configure the banner on the router interface. Okay, na? So how to configure? This is the command. Enable it on your packet tracer. Give you time for you. Implement and verify. Configured and verify. Space 123. What command in that previous mode you are typing enable. After then enable, it will ask you the password. The password will be the 123. I will show you the output. If I type enable, what it will comes na? Password. For security reasons, like your ATM pin number, you will get a into mark, or mobile banking, you will get a dot dot dot, or passwords will be dot dot, like Gmail or Facebook, But for security reasons, the Cisco devices will not allow you any indication for the password. I already type 1, 2, 3 in my keyboard. That will be the security of this device. What is the password you have to enable? Enable password space 123. Configured it and verify. Give the password only 123. Don't use any capital letters or small letters. Password breaker is very tough for this session in this things. So better to use a 123, 1234 like this. Okay. Enable it. I will give you time for 5 minutes. Enable the banner and the enable password. Okay. Configured on your packet tracer. If you have any queries now, let me know. The same configuration I will show you on the switch also. Okay. So what type of model switch will be the 2960 switch? What is the model number? 2960 switch. Sir, if I want to access this switch also the same procedure. What I have to take? I have to take the PC. From the PC, I have to connect it on RS-232 port and connect it on console port. Okay, after then click on the PC, go to the desktop tab, terminal, click OK. You will get access. See, you will get access. So the same procedure. Here, what is the command? Enable. After that, what is the command? Config space T. What is the next command? Host name. Which one? Next one will be the banner space MOTD space. Your message will be the welcome. You have to close this. How to verify? There you will have. Okay. The same procedure, right? Implement on your packet tracer switch also. If you have any queries now, let me know. If anyone having any queries now, let me know. Sir, if I want to remove the password, how to enable that one, right? Config space T, no enable space password. No enable space password. Need not to mention the what you are mentioned that password 123 need not to given, right? No enable space password. Now see the output. There is no password. See, there is no password. So what is the command? In front of the command, use the no only. Where you have to configure? In the global configuration mode only. Right. So config space T, enable space, password space 123. In the hash mode, you will have a show command. Show space run. Run means running configuration. Show me the present running config information. See here, what is the thing? The password is display. That means if any unknown person, if you observe that enable password will be the 123, he can easily identify. So how to protect that enable password? Enable space secret space 1234. Actually, what password I know? What password I know? 123. I type 123. But actual password is 1234. 1234. If I use the show run, there you will have enable secret is a level 5 password. No one can be decrypt. No one can be decrypt. Okay, na? So what is the password? To encrypt the password, what is the command? Enable space secret space 1234. Enable it on your packet tracer. Sir, if I want to remove that enable secret password, no enable secret 123. It will be removed. It never asks any password. See, It asks the enable password, I enable that one. Okay, enable secret will not there. Only enable password will be enabled. Okay. You can configure with both. Okay, whether if you want to need both, you can implement on the both configurations of the passwords. So in this way, you can protect the intermediate devices. You can protect the intermediate devices. Right? I hope you are clear. Still anyone having any queries now, you can drop a message on the chat group. Right. Sir, enable password will be encrypted, right? So show run enable password will be play 123. Right? Sir, if I want to encrypt that password, it will encrypt it will encrypt present and future password in plain text. Show run, see, show run, it will be having a plain text. Sir, if I want to this level 7 password is very weak password, I can decrypt this password. I can decrypt this password by using in the Google. Okay. I will show you with the Google level 7 decrypt. There you will have copy that password and submit. You will find the 123. See, level 7 is a weak authentication password. Level 7 is weak authentication password. Sir, level 5 will be the high authentication protocol. No one can be decrypt. See, no one can be decrypt. This will be takes a huge time to decrypt the password. Okay. So what is the command to encrypt the plain text password is service password encryption. It will encrypt the present and future password in plain text. The same passwords, it will be applicable on the switch also. The 2960 switch model, what you are configured, the same thing. Nothing will be changes. Okay, the same configurations, the same procedure, what you are enable the commands, everything. Sir, why you are telling about this passwords and everything? Huh? As an administrator, if you are maintain the network device, that network device has to be protected by the administrator. So that's why you have to enable this command. Yeah. So tomorrow we will see the concepts of okay how to enable the DHCP on the router, okay, and how you get the DHCP IP on the local area network. We will see on tomorrow. And tomorrow, if you have a timeline, I will explain how to access the Wi-Fi router. Okay. If we have a timeline, I will explain. Just I will give you the one scenario of IPv6 connected. I hope it's clear, right? Still anyone having any queries now? Let me know. Okay. I will help out with your queries. I will help out with your queries. So these are the passwords, enable passwords, encrypted passwords. Okay. There is no banner. Why? Because I restarted enough. For you, I will configure here the banner. Config space T, banner space MOTD. Message will be the welcome. Okay. This will be the banner. Sir, if I want to change the banner, just place in front of the banner command no. No. If I want to remove the banner, if I want to remove the banner, just you can already I copy here, right? Sorry. If I want to remove the banner, just in front of that banner, use the command no and need not to mention the banner what you have. Okay, this will be the assigned and enable, right? This will be the enable password, enable secret, and the service password, enable secret. Okay, so these are the things we have to use. What will be the show command? Uh, show run will be the command to see your running configuration. So these are the basic commands to run the show commands. Okay, and the WR will be the save command. WR will be the save command. Right, these are the commands, show commands and everything. I will save this file as a routers passwords. Routers passwords. So the same configurations again I will explain on tomorrow for your better those who are not understood properly or they if you are facing any issue now. So again I will click on the hub, move your cursor to the workspace and select. If anyone new to this particular platform, just for them I will show you once more. After that, I need end devices. So end devices, what are the end devices? Like the end devices we have PC or laptop, where you will find. Besides the network devices, you will have end devices. Click on the end devices, you will find the PC. Select and paste here. Okay. Now I have to connect cable from PC to hub. So where will be the cables? So in the left bottom corner, you will find connections. Click on the connections. There you will have a different connections. Sir, in that connections, which one you have to take it? Copper straight through. PC and hub both are different devices. Select it on fast Ethernet 0, connect it on fast Ethernet 0. Connect it on fast Ethernet 0, connect it fast Ethernet. And connect it on fast Ethernet 0, connect it fast Ethernet. Okay. So those who are accessing through the laptop, just download your packet tracer and install the packet tracer and connect, take the devices and connect like that. I'll give you time for 5 minutes. Implement.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir. Tell me, sir. Rajendran, sir. Hello.
Yeah, it is audible, sir.
My voice is audible?
Yeah, it is audible, sir.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. After then, click on IP configuration. There you have to assign the IP address 10.0.0.1 and click on the subbuttons. Go to second PC, desktop, IP config. What will be the IP? Not 0.0.2. Automatically subnet mask will appear. Go to the third PC, desktop, IP config. This IP will be the 3. Sir, whether I assigned IP, whether it is assigned or not, how to verify on the packet tracer? Just put your cursor on the PC, you will get a device ID. See, I assigned 10.0.0.2. Move to your second PC, the cursor, you will get another. Sir, if I want to verify how the data packet is traveling from source to destination, in the right bottom corner, you will have a simulation. Click on the simulation, close the simulation panel, where you will have a select the data packet. In the menu bar, if you observe my screen here, there you will have a add simple PDF packet on the menu bar. The closed envelope will be the sample PDF packet. The open one will be the empty. It will be like empty. So if I want to send a data, if I want to data, add simple PDF packet. So if I select that one, move to the cursor. What I selected, that will be the source, and move to your cursor to the third one, that will be the destination. In the bottom, you will have the play controls. See, navy blue color play controls will be there. Just play the button, you will see the result. See, hub is always broadcasting. Yesterday we discussing the hub switch and the routers. This will be there. Hub is always broadcasting. Not in single time. Every time it will use a broadcast. Once you got successful, you can delete your packet. Sir, where you will get in the bottom, you will have, see, in progress will be there. Now it will be changes into the successful. See, once you got successful, delete this packet. In the scenario 0 will be there. Delete the packet. Sir, again, can you show me once again how to select the data packet? So in the menu bar, you will have a add simple PDF packet. Select that one, move to your cursor, this will be the first PC and this will be the destination PC, and apply the play controls. See, once you delete the packet, use the play. Just click on the play button, you will get the play controls. Okay. Sir, never ping when you are in simulation panel. See, click on the PC, go to command prompt. You will have you never when you are in the simulation mode, you never get the ping reply. See, you never get reply. If you are in the real time mode, now you will get it. See, now you will get it. Never use the ping, never use configuration when you are in simulation panel. Okay, always in the real. I'll give you time for 5 minutes. Implement on your packet tracing. Online form. In the routers, the third one will be the online form. I need and device connectivity. Router having two different networks. You can connect to two different networks. Yesterday we discussed. So PC and router both are similar device. What cable have to use? Power crossover. Here Ethernet is 0 by 0, and here the 0 by 0. See, the cable color will be in the red color. You can see the triangle, right angle. I will see that will be which color, which is red color. Okay. Now this network will be the 10 network, and this will be the 20 network. The gig 0 by 0 will be the IP 10.1, and this one IP will be the 20.1. For the end devices, the IPs will be 10.2, and the gateway will be the router's IP. The gateway will be the router's IP. Now click on the PC, go to desktop tab, IP config. There you will have the IPs. 10.2, gateway will be the 10.1. Always for your local area network, that will be the 10.1. Go to the second PC. This will be the 20.2, and the IP will be the 20.1. Now which color it is in? Red color only. Sir, if I want to make it as a green, how to connect? How to assign that? For switch, you can't assign IP address. For router, you can assign IP address. In the packet tracer, the router having a graphical user interface. Based on that one, I will show you how to assign the router interface IP. So which interface? Gig Ethernet 0 by 0. Click on the router, go to the config tab. There you will have gigabit Ethernet 0 by 0. Here the configuration is IP 10.0.0.1, and the tab will be used, the subnet mask will appear. After then, see the port status. The port status will be in the port status will be in the on will be the uncheck. So make it as a check. When you make it as a check, it will happen. Which color it is? Alternate green color. So next one will be the gig 0 by 1. Click on the router, config tab, gig ethernet 0 by 1. What will be the IP here? 20.1, and which one? Now see, the scenario will be in the all are an active color. Now I will show you how to communicate from 10 to 20. Click on the 10.2 PC, go to command prompt. There you have to ping with the gateways. A router having the first gateway will be the 10.1. I'm getting reply. A router having another gateway, that will be the 20. That one also I'm getting reply. From that router, I'm getting the local area network. That for PC also I'm getting reply. So that means router is connected to different networks. So implement of 5 to 10 minutes, implement on your packet tracer. I can place the router like this. From the switches, I can connect pieces. Now, PC and switch both are different, so I have to use proper straight through. From router and switch are both are different, so that's why I have to use straight through. Now see the you will find all the things. Now what will be the IPs? That I told you now, this will be the 10.2 and this will be the 10.1. I mentioned with the shortcut IP, but the IP will be the here this network will be the 20.2 and the gateway will be the 20.1 and the gateway will be 20.1. Gateway will be the common for all the local area PCs. Click on the PC desktop IP config 10.2 and the gateway. Go to the second PC, assign the IP 10.1. 10.1 is common for all your local area networks. And the third one will be the 20.1. Now see, router to router, it will be in the red color only. What IPs you have to mention here? This will be the 10.1 and this will be the 20.1. How to assign? Click on the PC router, go to config tab, click Ethernet 0 by 0, assign the IP, and that on switch on. Click Ethernet 0 by 1, 20.1, switch on. See, now all are in green color. Now, if I want to ping from 10.2 to 20.3, how the data packet will be flows. Okay, we will see how the data packet is traveling from that 10 to 20. That means 10 network to another different network. How it will be connected. Okay, now go to the simulation panel, select your data packet from here to here and autoplay. See what will happen, which will be broadcast first time. Router will also receive the, but what router will do and back, right? See. Now see, it is traveling to the 20. From 20. Okay, the first packet it will in the bottom it will be failed. No worries, delete the packet. Okay, and select the same data packet from there to there and play control. Now you can able to see Successfully you got the packet. That means from 10.223 while you are connected from switch to switch like this, na, it will communicate. Okay, I'll give you time for 10 minutes. Implement the scenario and verify on the simulation.